Ah, the great outdoors, where the air is fresh, the stars are bright, and cooking is an adventure. Let's dive into the art of open fire cooking. First things first, you'll need seasoned firewood. No, not paprika and oregano seasoned, but low moisture content. Hardwoods like hickory, elm, oak, or maple are your best bet. Starting your fire, think of it as a party. Kick things off with paper, straw, and small twigs, then invite the larger sticks and logs as things heat up. Now patience is key, you're not grilling on gas here. Let the fire burn down to gray coals. Then, and only then, it's time to cook. Your equipment? Cast iron pots and pans are the life of the party. And your cooking methods? Well, you've got options. Grill or grate, tripod, rotisserie, Dutch oven, cast iron skillet, or good old aluminum foil packs. You could even get creative and cook on rocks or Swedish fire logs. Maintaining heat can be a challenge, so have a backup fire. That's right, 2 parties. And what's on the menu? Anything from hot dogs, marshmallows, Danish fire bread, pineapple, eggs, to fish. Remember, open fire cooking isn't just about the food, it's about the experience. So take your time, enjoy the process, and eat well. Comment below your favorite campfire food.